Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Don't be by force.
You don't want me again.
I don't want you.
Again.
Oh yeah.
Akure. Don't be by force. When you come they attack me to everybody when you fight the trouble, when you get problem with them, you go they attack me, they join us and me, they say that they come. Yes, remove your hand from my matter. Remove your hand from my matter.
Okay.
Stay away from anything that is close to me, anything that is around me. Ted, you're born of a tourist, stay away. If not, what you go see, you not go like how you not go like him. You not be say you don't know me. You just a calculate for nothing. Not be say you don't know me. You know me and I know you. Yes. Okay. Remove your hand from my matter. And everybody will say around me. You don't say when they look for me, oh, and they look you. And they look you, not be say I don't have to talk. Not be.
Okay now. Now you hear when this money paranoid now. Don't be shy. Kate, you say don't talk. And they hear and I don't hear and say don't talk now. Don't even hear voice. Faith voice not even sweet. Faith voice be like all those accusers women. No. Faith, not me say I tease you. I don't see your face on audio. I'm black, but your voice, not sweet. I didn't see anything. Kids, please leave me. Leave me. It tells me you'll be parabolating. It tells me you'll be looking for me. I am not looking for you. Please leave me. If I come for you, you will not like me. I don't see anything like that too. Now those is enough for women for a kisser. You just are to mother the hell, boy. Now that kind of voice I play here, so I know vessel. When I see them now, Faith, I want to give you advice. You see the way you quiet since then. See the way you quiet since then. Just quiet like that. It will be good for you. Faith, I want to give you advice. You see the way you quiet since then. Just quiet. Just let Kate, just put Kate, position Kate like fool. It go good for you. It go good for you. It go too go good for you. The way you just keep your mouth shut, you know your talk. It go too go good for you. You know why? If you talk, with your card bear of the social media, we'll come bring that your talk come out. Concentration for you. Come bring out the bad side, the good side. Come bring that come out for you. Come bring all those of your what you don't first do. Come mix them together. After you come say a social media in Odimi. I want to tell you, just keep your mouth shut. Make this matter just sleep. Then you let Kate the back. I'm when you door, I down a whole door. You understand? Then you let them just do wah. Make it insult you want. But if no of their advisor, now all those of us are the advisor, they follow you. All those people they buy hair for you. Let him say be said. Give her bush bash. Give her bush bash. If you know you cannot resist this war that you want to start, don't start the war. If you know, say you know go feel resist because on a war against discipline. But what this man, they because once you start, the social media where the prepare is there now. You want to carry your command. You not gonna chat. Great. This kind of shit, what voice? I don't want to hear around. And you, kids, who have your veil or be, who man who be boy ye be. Amaka Moria will get to the about $10. iknya bokpa ya boss yo mado agba bi sene Buhari ti ne ye pe mo ba bu o de na ma o nu egbe ni gbo ye gbe e mo ni kata we yi munu po o ge ga no abe mo tan e wo mu yere e bana sakare we ya gbuju we aja we bona e fe to do ha be ma e fe to ya ka be mo ni ka we yiwe gbe abia e fe to do ka be me we e bo gbo oko ya me ari e bo no gbe mi oko be te bo gbo oko o gbo mi oko e fe to do ka me e fe to do ka me ko na gbe abia be bejo e fe to do ka me me igo na mu no mu ari Nigeria uri Nigeria ya na mu igo no mu ari Nigeria 30,000 euro na do account that video igo we no e fe to do ka me abenu woni suru ye wana vigo no via Nigeria nugabe binyati umana Rita wa ine ga una hin wana asa ga egbe ya bigo we ma igo na munu gbe mo Nigeria na igo no if fake life no wa live all this why I know all of that just me I keep my hand short me not talk fake life no dey live we know everything we no want to talk we no respect we no still give now the benefit of that when I say feel like as a big girl one or 2 days. And we know the can cause we know na land and lie. We know na land and lie. Igo na munu when we mu ari Nigeria we kaya away from me see we am the show for live video. I look you at you. Look here. Use your head oh. But no start saga again. I don't want the saga with me. You know is go people na go say idiot go wan gba mesa won. Wa look here wa le wan ehun wa. A nonsense no wa do na say na gbedu wa gbewu. A nonsense in Wadona or see a not bold like boy social media. But look here. Do your own things on your own normal way. You might move back with Naji. I was also when he was also a forcing. Everybody check there only. I get for this social media always me no talk. Me and the talk. Everybody there you lay. Everybody everyone say what you care to. Life for someone your and your own life. Relationship not by force. You understand? And Kate, faith, you yourself, you talk too much. In every rumor, there's evidence of truth. You know if you tell me say you never carry Kate matter, go judge to another presenters. Maybe your own friend. Those who don't verbal. Yo, do a man money kids. No, see where the man tell me a live video presenter near Kitty by issue. You must have no. Swear when I go back, boy. Do my way. Cause we put. Say, since when you and Kate get issue, you never carry Kate matter. Tell other people. Cause we put. Cause we put. Faith, you will talk now. You never. You know the whole way, but underground they do evil. Underground now you are full of evil. Those pretenders. For outsiders, nobody form good, nobody form innocent. But back of the same, you people are the demonic people. Why here yo? No man gets awful. When the lack saga, when none of Sitala even bring it to me, I'm not like if you go what way? Good way. If I want to love like Vabon, I will carry a big and no. About Shiwele. About Soko. Come at me, you can't swear. Say you never talk about faith of the ground for that presenter. I was saying again. I was saying again, I was saying Oga. I was Tamu Fefe. Na tama not pass eh. I will not buy no bogodo. Faith, come out, come swear for social media. Say if you ever tell live video presenters about kids, don't fair boy. Don't even know that we say you fair boy. When kids get any live video presenters, don't fair boy. Ne boy or yariwa. If you know that was your one who you wear a bammer who you say fa. Do very boy. No matter where you when you can't see, no matter wherever. But you supposed to not be showing, pretending as if you are too good. Don't be pretending as if you are too good. Kate, she know what she's saying. Despite Kate know what she's saying. She's not stupid. She know what she's doing. Why Kate not come lie against me, say, I mean, they give you secret commands. Secret women know about Kate. Why she not come say, I'm now when they carry my secret commands? When I look here, now so this na nonsense when I want to start so. When I keep my mouth shut, when I enter ass. This video, I warning, big warning. Maybe the video will be on.
It's a lot of big talk. I know they're stupid. I should be where they say, no, you don't get respect for anybody. I they respect everybody that's around me. Now make me quiet for you, sit there. Now make me not say I don't have big talk. Not the same I say make I come out for you, you don't know. You know and I know. Me I do know. So not come they drag everybody way down because not me send you market. I not send you market. So not come tell me what you not gonna show me what you buy for the market. Do you understand me?
Okay,
I not send you market. Not come show me what you buy for the market. You not concern me, you not concern me.
Ice Island. We are in lowland. You are in island. Good morning.
Talk to me. Kate, no talk I don't want you. No talk I don't want you. Tomorrow now, say,
Kate, they warn you now. They warn you now. How they hear now?
They look for me and I'm quiet. They look on.
Yeah.
But this message, this video, I don't do this evening now. But because I don't do this one now because he don't pass the boundary.
Okay.
He don't pass the boundary.
Okay.
He don't pass the boundary. This message now just to start. This one just testing. I just
okay.
tell my teammates to wait for me. Because if not,
is it like testing?
If not, our own matter will pass the one we first day ground we never taking it for Sideo. Because next time, and I will give out to her back to back.
Okay now. Let me watch that now.
Because I don't care anymore because it's just too much.
See go pass.
That's why the quiet not be fool. I not be fool. I not be fool. I don't the quiet because everybody wait there around me. They respect people wait there around me.
Okay.
So Kate, I say may I tell you, stay away from me.
Okay.
Una way you know. More than one now because as you dey Kate but their Kate they vomit.
This right. I be like say I go create ring.
If I open my mouth. If I open my mouth.
Yeah.
Stay clear.
Yeah.
Stay clear.
My neck.
Body for my matter.
You want to twist my neck?
Body for my body. You not concern me, you not concern your family again.
Oh.
That's what the band us together. You don't cut, I don't cut them. So you let me be. You let me be. Remove your hand from my matter, eh?
Oh.
If not, what you go see, you not go like her.
Oh.
You not go like her. You told they call me for more than 4 months now. All of the way they analyze, all the stupid analyze the way they social media. Una blind and una deaf. Una not call them. Not be the time I can't start. I go pull, I will decide I can't pull the key, I will start the motor. That time I call it to say, hey, no more stop.
Stupid analyzer. I'm a stupid analyzer. Una blind. Stupid analyzer. I'm a stupid analyzer. Kate and Faith. Who be the stupid analyzer? Who be the stupid analyzer? Now you talk and say you not send Kate market. We sell on the market. We sell on the market. And then one of the quick behind the Mareva. So, Fetty. The reason why I'm going to reply you is because of this insult you gave to presenters. That's the reason why I want to talk to you. Ite we go egun. Ina we go imatuwa. Until we bina na go fight. Disgrace on yourself. Come tell us how na take hustle. How na take the big bag for junction. Na go use na hamat. Tell us where na sleep before I go answer una. But when I come listen to this voice record yesterday night, because yesterday morning they sent it for me. Yesterday night when I will listen to this record, as you reach this place now, I'm shocked. Now this place I listen. Now this TV. Hey man, I down your say before I sleep take me. I'm not going to do the rest things when you talk again. This place where you insult all the presenters. This place where you humiliate all the presenters. Now here hand go meet you. You understand? Now here hand go for meet you. You see, when I went on to talk. You don't join the presenters. Oh yeah, now all of us will carry the cross together. You feel me so? You don't need to fight only faith, only kids. You can beat everybody together. You understand? Now everybody you need to beat. Because all of us with our lies, with the stupid analyzer, with the zoo analyzer, with the wounded you have to start beating us one after the other. You understand? You have to start beating us one after the other. Because if I come for you, you know only one squad. If I come for you, you see that I never even go your page. Me, I go your page first. Me, I go see what you do there. Me, I go see the market what they do for the way they trade for there. Egbe I wash am one in Kesalo. Egbe I wash am one. I am a beauty home clinic. Egbe I wash am one. I'm a beautiful woman clinic. I'm a poor man wife. I'm a big man wife. A poor. Okay, if I go allow, I go one after the other. If I go allow, I go beg and go. And they come for now. So you want to say so we be the stupid analyzer, be? Now we be the stupid analyzer. This is your statement. Go and retrieve it back. If you want peace for the social media, this is your statement because I don't want to verse because I don't wear or buy a back bovine and make me want to keep you quiet. You know the reason why I faith. The reason why I want to keep you quiet for this statement where you need to make so where you make so. Because this I believe this is your first time of doing live video. I don't know. I must see your live video before. It's the first time of me hearing your voice. You understand? I believe you go still go back inside house, go sleep. Go think of this statement where you make and retrieve it back. You understand? Go and retrieve it back. You understand? Retrieve it back. Retrieve it back. You know what? I'll still play on. You understand? So if you are mostly the pick point for what you did up, you try. At least your first time.
No blind and una death is there.
No blind.
They use all of una. I go use all of una. I say they knock each other. That one I know. Say first we know they talk. If we talk, if they get to the be. Remove your hand from the matter. Come on body for my body. Come on body.
Come on body.
My matter not good though.
Come on body. I don't want drink.
What they say you don't know me. You know me. Me I know you. You don't the name where you don't they come since then. And they look you like say, oh no, this one not there, you don't get brain because you get brain. All this rubbish where they do since then, you know what they do. I know they look you say, maybe this one they crazy. But this one what you can't do today, this one what you do today, let it be fair. When I call this woman conflict, when I share this way, go give them. When I come. People they fight with you, say na faith they say them. People they fight with you, they say that none of you and none of that problem, they say na faith. Now Sarah, you say na faith. Okay, now me see saying what they call now Frank Victor. Me see go say Frank Victor, Oliver Bola Wegbe.
It's not mention my name.
Frank Victor.
Huh?
I mean go say Mama Boy. All the useless what you gonna do for the group. Now me see send them.
He mentioned my name. He mentioned my name.
You know what they call. You don't know who they call. You know
he mentioned my name.
You know this man is there. But I also can't warn you.
I'm not watching this shit.
Come out your body for my matter.
This will not interest you.
They look you. They cost me every now and then. For more than 4 months, I not tell you. Not be the time I cost me, I start now. This one I just the warn you now. If I say me I start now, the point I say faith yo. That time. No year bo. Area 30. No year bo area 30. 30. No year bo area 30. Where go Minnesota the matter where. When we you say you want to call on my friend's name. If you finish with this one, you go call your down and tell me the gossip. Then they still know the gossip. Where me ask the matter where I start your matter. Oh God. Kate, not push me. Not push me. You don't they push me. And you don't they go close to
I cover one eye.
You know me. You know me, oh. People when you know better, when not the quit they talk. More than what take it, make it remove the body from my matter.
Can you imagine?
But if it's back, I be thunder and
fire.
Now be.
Che.
So now this one I can't tell you faith. Now I say I can't warn you and everybody when they give you that this less about say they shoot faith, they shoot faith. Yo. Because why I go start, eh? If I enter the front of your house, I'll come out for back. Some say you don't know me. Me that thunder and fire. If you say you the grace, now you say if you don't know me, you don't know me, Kate. Kate, you don't know me. Kate, you marry me.
Okay.
You marry me.
Okay. Okay. Okay, never finish. Still there.
Because I beg more let me share this video. Go give Kate. More I know say you not even need to share them because the waiting that they call her because I never want her to insult anybody now. I just be a good girl now. I know the big good girl. I know that I do this video now. I know say that is just my day. This is your day yet. I know, but I never want to insult anybody. So my brother, let me tell you, warn your wife. Warn now. Una know, and I know. Una know say if he set. Una know. So warn your wife. Warn your wife, whether that she be the husband, whether that you be the wife. More than one each other, because if he starts, if I put the key, if I put the key, now not go like what you go see you. Nothing like I said, now not get up to stop. Now not get more to talk. So nothing like what tell now. So everybody just have to take it. More than go take it, all the supporter where they support them, all the bad advice where she gets, where they push her, they go thunder. So now they push her, they come be thunder. I be thunder and fire. I be thunder and fire. I don't care what people talk about me. It's my life. Anything what I like, I do with my life. I never married. I don't be like you or a cat. You don't want your head.
Are we my married? Are we my cat? Are we my cat?
You know and I know. You know and I know. Say if I sit down for your matter, you go walk past the one way they ground so we never finish. You know and I know. You know and I know, but and I is the fan. And if I answer you, you don't go now. I don't give you this one now. If you don't stop, you what you did. Buluku. All you know for the book packet, eh? All you know for the book packet.
Ah.
All you know for the book packet because they make it all son on them.
I enjoy this saga. Katie. Ọmọ náà gbéra gbéjé.
Share this video, go give them. Anybody will know cake, Mona go send and give cake and anybody will know I will go fit up to one. Because if not, I go give her 1 million lashes. Because I'm lying.
1 million lashes. My waist they pay me. My waist.
You don't pass your boundaries.
Waist
I
pain.
look you. Kate.
Waist pain. Ọmọ náà gbéra gbéjé. Waist pain. Waist pain.
I can't say now. Come on, body for my matter. Come on, your body.
My waist too. My waist too. This my daughter don't break my waist. This my daughter break my waist this morning. Mona help me share this video. Mona help me share this video. Don't take again, my sister. Blunt. Talk now, talk. I don't see where you want to talk now. You need to talk.
They mention my friend's name anyhow. They mention my friend's name. You don't my name with my friends, you Chris. You think I get useless friends like you? You get mad? I'm not bored. A 13. A 13. It's a mawene. It's a mawene. Igu ebwane. Emi ata na iwa leta. So mwana igbele boye gbe. Emi nuri wa fun amye. Ucheke uba swallow uba mwame. Uba mwame. Me ba bere no esia me se when no esia me na o mala kere no esia me se na. Maybe at the time I have one number one. Eleni one a turn down fire or where they jam. I bet more than I share this video. Good night everybody.
Oh, my people, Osebuna mie ujive, Osewa magbe, Osebuna mie urame, Osi no gwa danyo ya, no mama o. Oh, Osuguga mie, social media, Osuguga mie. Even no mo sokmo. Ele a mi se no so se. A mi se ni ipogui. A mi se ne ora. Era na titi. The new generation. I talk about. Okay, let's speak up. Yes. GBC where? Yimta. Okay. Yeah. No wala, jere li bude niya, bude me yari. You understand? He bude niya na. When he bude over is a warning. When he started to set Mary. Okay, the more speaker. Down. Okay.
No worry with my the matter not making up photo because we are doing if in the friend or take it in there. Master, because when you don't want it, I don't to tell me not go down, but message cannot tell now. I'm going to yeah, I'm by Matana. Minati, it's ticket, we're not ticket, we're getting out of life. You know, we are going to wow. In that way, we said it by life, you do not tell me. In that the great team, Nakotana, or my bit of your name, Yaswa, I had the great team. Nifia, not 2 years here, but that's here, Panagare. Okay, you can la photo. Because we have one here, I can't of a setting now. We can't have with my woba. Niposa dog with my. Then on Akbana, if you're not Bana.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I can't do like that, the warning now. Because of the how to pay or like social media, every photo.
Oh,
so we had the way trying to make it get the bank. Because we come only we have the good because my better than never better, I will not say we. I have my matter and about so they want to roll the picket, the water, the fit, the water, and you me.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, where you put the Canadian, now you are an idea where you know fire time to pop.
No, voilà.
Okay, now later.
Okay, I will have a scene.
Okay.
Alright, now I come. These are two best friends, two bestie. They want to start fight, so they want to start war. So the same two bestie, Monica and Lolo, where they still start their own. We never still finish now. We don't turn to court, go court, not go court. You understand? The same two bestie will be say when kids they do marriage. I don't know whether marriage do, whether na traditional day do. Me, I don't know whether marriage or not traditional day. You understand? when they do whether a traditional day, do that day, I've been a marriage, I don't know. This Faith, I really say did it. What did they call that girl? That girl, that another one, go on. What did they call Sarah? Wait, Sarah now, yeah. Vera's sister, Sarah. Sarah still did it. These are friends. We're not gonna eat together. We're not gonna wine together. This is not saying that phone friends. So there's difference between phone friends and friends when you don't see one-on-one and don't eat together, and don't drink together, not do things together. There's difference between friends who we see, they call for phone, just normal gossip friend. They see majority of our friends who they get for social media are gossip friend. Like me and Atiti now, we never see for face to face. You understand? You don't be like who you don't see one-on-one. Like me and Efeina, we don't see one-on-one. We don't lay together. We don't sleep in hotel together as gamma to gamma. We don't drink together, eat together. Me and Efe. So if you see our relationship different from the one you don't talk for phone, we never see for eyeball to eyeball. It's a shame and a disgrace for Unandekone bring a dirty character out of social media. I don't blame Faith. Now, Kate, that be the wonderful problem of this social media, of this issue. Now, Kate, now I don't get shame for face. And the worstest person for this social media, now Kate. And now she talk past, now she have money do they talk like parrots for social media. And now she worst pass. If you see the dirty character, the dirty attitude we do with Kate, I wonder how that man, that Aboki, to marry Kate. I wonder how that Aboki to marry that kind of Kate with all these things we follow Kate Nyash. Woman, girl, where you feel come Europe, hustle. For you to hustle, take care of your parents. It's a you hustle, bring your mother come, make your mother come do balance a carry for you with prostitution. And then you will still both come on for social media to address people. That won't be juju with that. That's one alone, That's one alone. You're supposed to keep your dirty mouth shut and enter his house. And you go take him out. Hello, my people, our daily life. What daily life are you living? What dirty style of daily life are you living? Which kind of dirty style of daily life you live? Daily life. Aga biomo, omori bioma. That is our tradition. I biomo, omori bioma. Omo I don't know man. Usenu we se. E ya unu we u ya mu ijuwe ni we ya we. Wa bi ijuwe gba koko mu je epo. E bo no salu we no ya salu you e ba ko. Nwa gbon wa ye ni. Inyogun eren. You go still get man to the top of social media. And the period that needed the general wagon, one and period maybe you. Because not a shame to not a fear to tell them the truth. Not a fear to tell them the truth, the fact about them. When they keep their dirty character inside. Now we're waiting 2 years almost to the year. Because you when they look for trouble, dirty your body. First they must use your dirty to laugh you. They must use your dirty to mock you. People feel they do those things, those days, nobody go talk them. But because you come out to be a public figure, they go use your past to mock you. And your past will call the haunt your presence. Because you are mocking people too. It's all of our body. Oh, I went on the side here, make me way. If you know how your heart be, you will know how to throw leg for ground, how you take move for ground. Anybody will go put red head for you. Now red head go kill the papa kill him. Now red thing go the see. You know whoever I say for life. As far as you press the red head with mistake, this cause not go reach your body. If you press her with correction, with anger, with the truth where they tell this girl, make it keep my short. And if they pay you for body and you press your head, everything you go to see for life now red. You know, it can never be well with you this year. Now, tears you go to that new year. I talk about so go be the book as a woman to really tell you. I don't know you don't care that year. I hope man away, man of some that one over me no care. Everybody have to make better. How woman, you go know as your character be, you go know as your own house be, and you will come up for live video, call the pens people blue. We you want to ya go expect you. When I'm with you, where I tell what you want to be again. People don't hear any of it, boy. One of your view, where I know what I'm going to. Why I'm winning. I mean, don't hear I go for it. I'm going to imagine I mean, don't hear it. I go for it. I cock them all over. Who earn young money go ahead. You go no ladia, what's in your cockra. Eh, why you are what is your young is your barrow. A beer man. And the bedroom with Yama, Abia does the bougie. Who swing any the other reverend when you were Sagaya and social media. Where Fieta Grian and social media. A video one where women in a video concerning you way. I have one who yaki. Where if on a red bedroom, I think when you read bedroom with young winner, young one, and fear caddy, yet like corner, you declare you got the €50. A young level. Who video can and any concern what? Why, what I tell me? Why I want to work with? Oh, I don't work you. Waganya, making any viewers, or making any followers, or making any monetization. I bet the dollar Yagilaja will video a day and night, a day and I will video see back big bassing, who then started. Presta, a here, Piesta, Talent, American Atalo. Moi, pas nek bien good social media. Il y en a miam ouais. Et bien, on doit dire là, et moi, tu vas ouais, il y a des vies il y a des gens, il y a des gens, et il y a des dogues. Il y a des dogues, viennent voir. On dit, il y a des moments qu'on est nous, on a les social media by fire by force. You go back for many years in prostitution. You want to work it on social media. After many frustration and humiliation, what did you? Et ben, voyez, bon, il y a dit, presta, tonzo, presta. Ya gowa. C'est dans l'eau qu'on a donné. A go mo go te bogbe. No te wa ta ma wa ke wiwa. No te wa ta ma wa so wa yo ya ne. E pe mo gbe agenu mo gbo e. I have my drink. We don't want to support her. Why support one not do Z? Who know who support one? I want to do Z. Why they getting no money? You give me Macba. Why Bobone? Why I feel like Betty? What do I put your money? About someone else here, why Bobone? Or Tina money? I want to do day Tina. Or here you will. A Ketty, or say Kankan wife. Ana gele we na tale ne me gele we ni maybe ovi awon mo e wa ra kin iyodo awon mo e wa ti akin amari gba e wa na hin enemy iyodo wa mo na do kin enemy. Saka uwe na ore ni gbe abulo ma gbo ara uwe bulo ma gbo ono piere de na let me break it out. Il y a un nom de Bensi. Il y a un guerre. On d'ailleurs la mort fait trop. La bataille m'a dit. What is my drink? Gagi. Now I'm bon. Fake account non. C'est fake account. Mais ça ça m'a dit que fake account ni. You would never bow with this man. So, as we are saying, as we are talking and saying, we understand me now. Voilà que bois. Et faites des kits. Et kits, et faites. Maintenant, ma fait hier bouillot. On va bouiller. Et il y a because a year, that's a year of confession. Yeah, it's a year of confession. We were being of year and what do yiki. What they are Madame, you understand? What they are the man support one way we. But we woman agree now. The boy like you understand? The man support one way we. But what we.